Bear
and Big Bear
with a daily dash of life. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to send a very big welcome to you. And if you're one of my 12-gallon cup drinkers, welcome back. If you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications of my latest videos. You know those domino effect meals? The meals that come from making another meal? Well, that's what I'm making today. This dish stemmed from my butternut squash soup, and I can leave the link to that in the description box below. After getting down to a small bowl of soup, I decided why not add a side of noodles to this, a side of my favorite noodles. And why not just turn it into a sauce? So that's what I did. And then I even took it a step further by adding sauteed mushrooms and sauteed spinach to the top of it. And it came out so delicious. I had been craving spinach and mushroom anyway, so that's why I decided to do that. I will begin by making my butternut squash soup. Again, the link will be in the description box below for a detailed recipe. There's a slight difference between the soup and the sauce. With the sauce, I add a little bit of bacon grease just to give it a little smoky flavor. The sauce is good with or without the bacon grease. While the squash is cooking, I'm going to begin boiling my water for my noodles, and I'm also going to wash my spinach. Let a little bit of water remain on your spinach. You do this because you want some of the mineral salts to dissolve into the water. You should actually do this with most of your veggies, and if your veggie is completely dry, then it can have the tendency to burn. For your butter, spinach, and garlic topping, add some extra virgin olive oil to a pan on a medium-low setting. Once your extra virgin olive oil has gotten hot, then add your minced garlic to the mix. Toss that around and let it soften, and then add some butter and melt that down. Once that's melted down, then you can begin to add your mushrooms, your sliced mushrooms to the pan, and get those cooked. Once those have fully cooked, then you can slowly begin to add your spinach. It's going to be a pretty high pile in the beginning, but keep in mind they're going to wilt down. So you could do a little bit at a time. Cook down your spinach and toss it occasionally. I'm strong to the finish 'cause I eats me spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
It said that?
I know, that's a song from when Mama was little.
You put that there? Okay.
While your spinach is finishing up, your squash should be done. Then begin to scoop out your squash and put it into your blender with the rest of your veggies. Add in your bacon grease and add in some softened cream cheese.
I see the rest of my side words.
You do?
Yes.
You will be blending in batches because it won't all fit at once. Side note, if you decide that you're going to be freezing it all, then hold off on any dairy until after you've thawed your soup. You don't want to add the dairy and then freeze, because then it will separate in the freezing process. When your noodles have reached al dente, then it's time to assemble your plate. You're going to assemble as noodles, sauce, then your topping. I hope you enjoyed this yummy recipe, and I hope you learned something new today that you didn't know yesterday. Toodles! Perfect. This has been Mama Bear with a daily dash of life. And as always, don't forget to spice up yours. May God bless you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, click my watermark and click any video icon for more videos or to start a playlist. Check out bonus footage at Instagram and Twitter at A Daily Dash of Life. Toodles!